What's up, YouTube? Welcome to more trades. All right, this is Solana. We had a nice move up today, pre-FOMC, and as soon as Fed Chair Powell started speaking, we got a dump to the downside, and that took us about, after the pump, we got a dump of 6%, and that was an interesting one. And after he spoke, he sounded very hawkish despite the 50 basis point that people were expecting. He said that inflation is still a problem and they're going to do their best to keep it under control and bring it down, and they're not going to slow down on the interest rates. Now, Solana, yesterday I was telling you that Solana, if it's able to break the 13.852, we will be able to see the $15 range. And where did we pump to? 14.953. That is so accurate. Amazing. We got resistance, and I had the target because we had the value area high somewhere around here at 14.5, and we spiked above it and got a rejection. What do I expect from Solana? Tomorrow we have some important news. I expect Solana, now this Asian markets are open. We might range out a bit till London market opens, and London will have a reaction to what happened today. We still have the 200 EMA that comes in at around 15.725 and the 233 16.4. That would be a good point for me to consider a short, as we see Solana sometimes spikes above these 200 and 233 only to come back down so hard. Most cryptos do that, and we usually get a spike slightly above, then we come down. Sometimes we just, depending on how volatile the token is or the coin is, we might touch it and just get rejected, but some volatile coins pump above it, then come down. Now we have the point of control that is sitting at 13.6 and the value area low at 13.032. What I would like to see from Solana after this pump, I would like it to come all the way down to 13.6 to gain support, only to continue higher. If it doesn't do that, the longer it stays away from the 50, that will be a problem. As we pump up, the 50 will be so far away, trying to catch up with Solana. This is on the 4-hourly. So eventually we will have to go back to the mean. We'll have to go back to the 50 EMA, which will be a big dump. This pump, in my opinion, didn't look volume supported. We had one spike here, but the volume was very weak. The rejection candle, the red candle, had a bigger volume than the other volumes, the other candles. So I'm anticipating a move down, but we might pump higher. How high will we pump? That's another question. But just to know your targets to the upside, to the downside. My target for Solana was as low as 9.114. This was from before I had these targets, and 8.307. We could see Solana come down to $5 to $7, in my opinion, if we don't have some juice in the tank to continue higher. If you haven't already, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Just remember one more thing. These targets that I give you in the video is no financial advice. It's just how I see the markets. But they're essentially points where I expect a rejection or a bounce. So if I was in a long and I know I'm coming into $15 and I know $15 would be possibly a rejection point, then I would be at least taking profit 1 TP1 or wait, yeah, TP1. And if we go higher to the 200 or 233 on the 4-hourly EMAs, I would be taking profit again. All right, more trades. I'm out.